This is before. This is what I had working over here. And then we're gonna reorganize, put this makeup into the new one. So I have some nail polish stuff up there. A bunch of palettes in here that needs to be organized. Some stuff in here that needs to be organized. This is a bunch of nail polishes in here. Watch out, Stella. Yeah, it doesn't even open all the way. So, okay guys, so I'm gonna start to clean this out. I'm gonna actually start at the bottom and fix these nail polishes and put them in there. Sally Hansen, I have Forever 21 nail polish. Ordered some more nail polish from KL Polish. So I'm excited for those to get here. Move these up. Here. Put the blues here. Here's one KL polish I own. That's in here that I need to throw away. Like I have an empty freaking perfume bottle, so that's gonna be thrown in the garbage. So I have an empty, well, it's not empty, it's a little bit in here. An empty Victoria's Secret thing. This is my Mickey Mouse nail polish collection that I love. I got from Target. So this can get put in the back. I didn't know I had so much blue nail polishes. But I want to put this with the Sinful Colors one, but I don't know. Pink. Empty, so it's gonna go in the trash. And then nail polish tools in this one. So that will be there. This will be in there. This cuticle pusher, nail filer, nails that I use. They're from Kiss nails. That's what I use. This is just what the packaging looks like. That's what I buy. But it's garbage. Don't need that. This is my favorite nail polish toppers. The super dry. I don't know what brand it is, but I did get it from the dollar store. But this actually makes your nails dry so fast. Okay, so next drawer, I'm gonna make this a sample drawer. So I'm gonna throw all my samples in here. Some high-end palettes. Well, I'm gonna actually throw the big palettes in this drawer, like And then I'm gonna put all my Kylie stuff, just because I love Kylie. She gets her own special drawer. Kylie stuff. And I'll put it with the KKW too. So Kylie and KKW drawer. Can be single eyeshadow drawer. But I'm gonna throw my primers in here. Let's switch it out to this bigger one. Okay, why do I have so many primers? That's the real question. So I'm gonna put this in this drawer like this. So I switch it around. So setting sprays is here. Primers is here. All my powders, my setting powders are there. And then more little primers is over there. So that's that drawer. Let's see if I can take out anything from this drawer. I'll just leave the concealers how it is. Mascaras is fine, they can stay there. These are the contour thingies in the back, and there's tools that I use. Maybe I can organize my foundations properly. So I currently just put my foundations in this drawer like this. So I have most of my foundations in here. I don't know how to move them exactly. For now, these are my foundations in here. I'm currently putting my highlighters in here. Okay, so now I have another empty thing. And my face powders, just gonna throw in here. Don't really use face powder that often. Spread out my blushes so I can see what I have. Now I can see all of my blushes. And then bronzers. This I have to fix, but I need space for that. Bronzers, let me fix this. All the palettes can actually go in here. Palette and go in there. can see, my bronzers now. So we have blushes, bronzers, the bronzer palettes back there. And my lip drawer, I think I'm gonna leave like this for now. I thought I want to fix it. I don't know how to fix it yet, but my lip drawer, I think I'll just leave like that for now. Well, for now, this can go in the foundation drawer because I don't think I'm ever gonna have that many foundations to fill up a drawer, so those could stay back there.